Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In the few next minutes, I will present you energy efficiency and renewable energy sources services in the tourist sector in Bulgaria. Some statistical data based on the actual information of the National Statistical Institute in Bulgaria for 2012. Bulgarian tourism recorded yet another strong year 2 years ago, with the number of inbound tourist trips increased for a third year after the 2009, which was caused by the general drop in tourist flows caused by global financial crisis. The number of inbound tourist trips into Bulgaria and total incoming tourist receipts increased by 3% and 2% respectively in 2012, with growth mainly the tourist flow from Russians and Ukrainians. In 2012, the Ministry of Economy, Energy and Tourism in Bulgaria worked on amending tourism legislation, with the final voting expected to take place in the last months of 2013. The proposed changes will remove the permanent categories of hotels and other outlets and introduce temporary categorizations for 5 years. In addition, the new legislation will also introduce new categories of tourist outlets, such as hostels, guest houses, and tourist apartments complex, which so far have not been classified and have not been checked to see if they offer a certain minimum level of services. Summer tourism in Bulgaria, the Black Sea coast offers attractive sightseeing resorts. The summer shine record is exceptional, with an yearly average of near 300 days of sunshine. Tourists enjoy various opportunities for climate treatment and balneal treatment, yachting, surfing, water skiing, diving, underwater fishing, other sports and entertainment opportunities. There are special interests combining sea tourism with active tourism and providing opportunity for hiking, cycling, riding, photo tourism, and ecotourism, as well as visit to natural, archaeological, and cultural places of interest. Ski and mountain tourism in Bulgaria. Riva, Pirin, Vituša, the Rhodopes, and the Balkan mountains offer very good possibilities for ski and mountain tourism in Bulgaria. In the international resorts of Pamporovo, Bansko, Borovets, one can enjoy some of the best skiing in Europe, which snow covers lasting from Christmas till Easter, and ski tracks for beginners and professionals at all levels. Of course, there are many ski schools providing individual and group lessons. The following figure illustrates the main environment elements involved in running hotel. The input of the hotel, includes energy, water, other products. The hotel will manage products and suppliers, including transportation and staff transportation, and the output includes control of water, air emissions, noise, and light. Hotels have a direct influence on the input and output. Why should my hotel care about energy consumption? There is very important for each hotel owner to know how to reduce energy consumption. It means it is very important to be competitive, to protect the environment, and to reduce energy cost. There are the following type of investment to energy efficiency and renewable energy sources measures in the hotel infrastructure. Long-term project investment from 1 month till 1 year, middle-term project investment from 1 year to 5 years, and long-term project investment over 5 years. The potential energy efficiency and renewable energy projects implementation in the hotel infrastructures are following. For example, installation of new heat insulation of the building's walls, roof, and floor, installation of new efficient windows frameworks, solar thermal collectors for heating domestic hot waters and for spa centers and swimming pool, heat pumps for heating domestic hot water and for spa center and swimming pools, fuel switch from conventional fuel to wooden biomass, improvement of the internal and external lighting system, installation on photovoltaic system on the roof for electricity generation, better operational use of current equipment to control of the existing equipment and regulation, combined heat power system installation for generating electricity and heat using conventional fuel, for example, natural gas or biogas, CHP installation for heat and electricity generation using wooden biomass, the same situation like the project in biogas plant Momchil, using anaerobic waste for production of electricity, and heat energy, installation of new chillers and air conditioning system for cooling with lower electricity consumption, replacement of non-sufficient kitchen appliances with new one, improve other electricity equipment regarding the improvement of efficiency. Introduction of energy monitoring system and facility management system implementation. For the period 2011-2013, Erato prepared feasibility study for 14 hotels in Bulgaria. You can see on this table the summarized data regarding the energy consumption for heating and domestic hot water, and respectively the energy cost for each hotel. Pay attention for the total annual energy consumption for heating and domestic hot water, over of 31,000 megawatt hour per year, respectively. The cost for these 14 hotels is about 3.5 million Bulgarian levs. This pie graph illustrates allocation of the energy consumption of these hotels. Over of 67%, these hotels use natural gas, and about 31% of light fuel or diesel oil. Respectively, the allocation of energy cost, about 45% this hotel paid for natural gas per year, and the rest for the light fuel oil. After the feasibility study, we offered to the managers of these hotels energy solutions regarding the replacement of the conventional fuels and use alternative fuels in the field of wooden biomass. You can see summarized data of these solutions. The annual expected savings after the implementation of these fuel switch projects in all hotels will be achieved in the amount of 1.8 million levs, and the simple payback period is about 3.6 years. The total project investment is over of 6 million levs. As a hotel owner, what can I do to reduce my energy consumption? Prepare an energy audit and business plan. Involve professional engineering company. Improve equipment and system efficiency. Protect the building from climate conditions and changes, and involve your staff in the processes. Improve on energy management. It is a very important issue which has very important influence to the management of the hotel infrastructure. Access the energy profile of your hotel at any time. Draw up a simple energy plan. Adopt good housekeeping practice. Ensure regular servicing and maintenance of your equipment and system. Improve energy management by providing information of staff and guests. And some practical example. This is the face of the Hotel Samokov in Borovets Resort in Rila Mountain. The total built area of this hotel is over 20,000 square meters. This hotel mainly operates during the winter season, about 90% annually. This is the existing boiler rooms, which includes 3 hot water boilers using natural gas as a fuel, with total installed thermal capacity of 2.6 megawatt. After the feasibility study preparation, we offer energy solutions connected with the replacement of these boilers using natural gas as a fuel with new boilers using wood chips as a fuel. In this picture you can see the hot water boiler produced by the D'Alessandro Termomechanica from Italy with installed thermal capacity of 950 kilowatt, 2 units, and 1 unit with installed thermal capacity of 700 kilowatt. This is the second type of boilers. Full automatically. This is the design drawing of the new boiler plant situation to the hotel, and the summarized data for the project baseline, the first table, the annual consumption of natural gas and electricity in the hotel for heating and domestic hot water. It's about 6,500 megawatt hour per year, which lead to the annual cost of approximately 600,000 Bulgarian levs. And after the potential implementation of the proposed fuel switch project, the expected savings which will be achieved are in the amount of $2,100 more Bulgarian levs, and the simple payback period is 3.3 years. The project business, the key to your development and success. Our options as a company with very good background in Bulgaria is connected with performance of energy audits and feasibility studies of public and industrial infrastructures, business plan and detailed design preparation, supply of equipment and materials for turnkey project implementation, dismantling and installation works, commissioning, test and startup, warranty and services. We can also operate like ESCO company using energy performance contracting, heat delivering contracting, and 30-part financing. And your potential benefits will be connected with enhancing your competitiveness, reducing cost, increasing energy efficiency, improves the thermal comfort and environmental conditions in the buildings, increase profits, ecological benefits, create new jobs, ability to finance your projects in structural funds of the European Union, and establish a long-term effective partnership in the implementation of energy efficiency and renewable energy projects implementation. So, thank you for your information.